Time for a change? Would you like to make your room beautiful yourself? With the new self-adhesive wallpapers from Tesa and Rasch, you can do it spontaneously and, above all, very easily. For a perfect result, you only need a few tools that you probably already have at home or that you can easily get hold of. If there are light switches and sockets on the wall, remove the covers before you start. The wall you want to decorate should be clean and smooth. To ensure your new wallpaper can adhere properly and permanently, use a dry cloth to remove dust and unevenness. Walls can sometimes be slightly crooked, even if you can't see this immediately. Therefore, first mark the width of the wallpaper strip, starting from the side edge of the wall surface to be wallpapered. This is only necessary once when applying the first strip. Now, use a spirit level to draw a vertical line for the first wallpaper panel. There are also different apps you can use for this. Next, measure the wall height and cut the wallpaper to size. It's best to allow for a small overhang of about 5 centimeters at the top and bottom. It is a good idea to work on the floor. It's best to check in advance where the pattern needs to be matched up later and calculate this into the required length of the strip. This way, the process is much easier as you can lay out all your wallpaper strips before applying them and then cut them to fit the wall height. Now, remove approximately 30 centimeters of the protective paper from the first strip and align the wallpaper on the wall using the plumb line. Place the strip on the upper edge with the planned overhang, for example, not flush, and work your way down along the vertical line. Gradually peel off the protective paper and press the wallpaper down evenly and carefully. Use a soft spatula to ensure that the wallpaper is completely bubble-free. When applying the next strips, make sure that the pattern on the side edges match seamlessly. Again, note the planned overhang at the top edge of the wall. Don't worry if it doesn't fit 100%. You can easily and carefully peel the strip off again and press it back into place. Then, simply remove the overhanging wallpaper edges at the top and bottom with a sharp cutter knife and a ruler or similar tools. If you have wallpapered over sockets and light switches, carefully cut them free again and replace the covers. Done! That's how quickly and easily you can beautify your wall. Now dispose of the removed protective paper in the residual waste bin. The self-adhesive wallpaper from Tesa and Rasch is available in many different designs. Choose your favorite and beautify your home easily, quickly, and cleanly.